Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Krystle and I am back with another wig review for y'all. Today we're going to be looking at this style. I'm going to show you guys how to style it. I'm going to let you know what I think about it, my overall thoughts, my pros, my cons, all of that. But before we even get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, hit that like button, and definitely share this with a friend or a family member because baby, this style right here, dripping black girl sparkling magic, baby. You need this unit. So y'all stay tuned. We're going to get into the install and we'll wrap it up with all the details, the specs, all the tea. I'll see you guys in the outro. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to show you a small little unboxing of what you get whenever you purchase a wig from LuvMe. They do send your wig in a cute little purple box. You get a wig bag, some wig caps, an instruction manual, a cute little zip up that has an edge brush, an edge scarf, and a mirror. So I love those little freebies. It's the little things with me. So with this wig, you are going to get the HD transparent lace, a total of 4 combs, an elastic band, and the adjustable straps. I believe this is a medium-sized wig, so I'm interested to see how this is going to fit on me. The curls are popping though. Although the wig did come pre-bleached, I do go in and tint the lace with my foundation. That is the Maybelline foundation in the color D90. And that really tinted the lace to match my complexion. Okay, so I am going in with my Eben Wonder Lace Spray in the black bottle and using my blow dryer to help that adhesive get a little tacky before I tack down the wig. I'm gonna kind of comb that product into the hair and then we will get to cutting and styling this hairline. As you see here, I am using the tension method to lay down the remaining sides of the wig. Those ear tabs can be stubborn, so be patient with yourself as you are styling your unit. That tension band definitely takes your wig installation up to the next notch. It helps your hairline lay down real quick. Going in with some rubbing alcohol to remove some of the additional product and reposition this lace a little bit. It looks like the lace is not that true ear to ear, or I may have a smaller size than my head size, but we about to finesse this. We about to still make it look cute. What you see me doing here is just using the remaining foundation from my foundation brush to blend. Then I'm going in with my Got To Be gel and more of my Eben spray to just style this hairline. also going in with some edge wax. I will have it linked below in the description box. It smells so good, y'all. This is the first time I use this hair wax, and I did love it. I also am going to use my hot comb. If you don't already have a hot comb while you are installing your wigs, go ahead and pick one up. I will have this exact link to this hot comb down in the description box so you can check it out. I am using my foundation brush again just to blend and make sure I did not miss any of the pieces of my lace. And baby, here she is in all of her glory. Okay, you guys, so I have fully installed this absolutely gorgeous Afro curly undetectable HD lace wig from LuvMe Hair. I want to give a huge shout out to them for sending this unit out to me and sponsoring today's video. I truly appreciate you guys over at LuvMe. I love working with them and I love their wigs. I've been purchasing their wigs before we started working together and collaborating. As you guys can see, these are just a few boxes of wigs from LuvMe because I have been rocking with them for years. So y'all, this is a great company to purchase your first wig or invest into a high quality wig. But let's go ahead and get into all the nitty gritty of this unit. I hope you love it as much as I do because, oh baby, she is giving bounce, she is giving dimension, she is giving volume and all of the things. But of course, I'm gonna give you guys the tea so y'all can achieve this same slay. So let's go ahead and get into the cons first and then we'll wrap it up with the pros. The two cons that I had is that the wig fits comfortably, okay, but it was short on the sides. Like whenever I was installing it, it didn't come all the way like the 13, I believe this is a 13 by 6. It didn't come all the way ear to ear, and it's a con, but it's not, oh, I'm pulling out my earring. It's a con, but it's not something that is going to make or break the style because as you can see, this is a lot of hair and it's covering up the sides anyway. So you don't necessarily have to worry about it, but I wanted to make sure that I mention it here in the video so that you guys are well aware whenever you decide to pick her up. The second con that I had was, although this is pre-bleached, I did see like a few of the hairs get bleached in the process. It's not a big deal, but I did want to mention it so that you guys are well aware of those things. I did see a few little strands of bleached pieces, but it did not break the style. That she still came out absolutely gorgeous. This is what she looks like from the front. This is what she is looking like from the side. And this is what she is looking like in the back. This is a 20-inch Afro curly undetectable HD lace wig, 13 by 6. And what that means is you get 13 across and 6 inches back. You can part this hair in the middle, the left or the right side, so you have the versatility. The pros that I do love about this unit is this is giving like this big hair look, but it's not heavy. I love that the hair is soft and easy to work with. Even whenever I was trying to figure out my part, if I wanted to do a right or a left side or a middle part, I wasn't running into much tangling and snagging, which is big with a curly unit. However, you are going to experience some shedding, which is perfectly normal for this type of texture hair. I did not wash the unit before I put it on. So when you wash your unit, you will start to see some shedding, coming out. I did see that as I was styling the unit, but that's not really something that you should worry about because it's completely normal with this texture hair. Another thing with the pros, I do love the lace. The lace laid perfectly seamlessly, y'all. It was easy to work with. I did mention earlier in the video I didn't get my ear-to-ear lace. It could be because of my head size, and this seems like a medium cap, so that may just be the sizing that I needed to choose a larger size if that is an option. I love the length of the unit. I feel that it is true to length. I am 5'6", and it is falling like a little bit past my shoulders, like almost to the top of my armpits. So that is what you are looking like. Now let's go ahead and get into the price point of this unit. The price point of this unit, as you see it sitting on my head, a 20-inch undetectable Afro curly undetectable HD lace wig. I know it's a long title, y'all. It retails for $349.90, which I believe is a great price point for the type of quality that you are going to receive. The fact that it is pre-bleached, the lace, the knots are pre-bleached, so you don't have to do all of that. I think that is an amazing price point. This is a great time to invest into a unit like this. They are having a Labor Day sale going on right now. I will link all the information down below in the description box so y'all can use the coupon codes and save you some money on this unit because you need it. Go ahead and pick her up. I would definitely try to rock this in the summertime, definitely in spring, winter, and fall. So this is an all year round unit. Like I said, go ahead and pick her up. Definitely a great one to have in your arsenal and give you that voluptuous type of look. Let alone, because it's curly, I wasn't having to curl this unit. I wasn't having to straighten it out. I wasn't having to do much. But I did want to show you guys before we leave the curl pattern on here. So when I put on the wig, I kind of puffed it out. It already came like really pretty, but I have my mousse here. This is my favorite mousse at the moment, the Cream of Nature mousse, Style and Shine. I'm just gonna put some in here. I wanted the big look, so I'm not gonna put it all over, but I wanted to show you guys how pretty the curls are, just in case you wanted to wear this not as big, because you do have options. Like, look how pretty that is. Definitely a great unit. Look at these curls. Oh my goodness. So yes, I did want to show you guys that before we wrap up the video, but overall, y'all, I can give her a solid 9, okay? Go and pick her up. Once again, a huge shout out and thank you to LuvMe Hair for sending this unit out to me. Thank you guys so much for chatting with me and hanging out, watching my video. If you are new here, before you leave, be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, the notification bell, leave me some love down in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.